morning, children. How are you all? Hope everyone are healthy and safe. Shall we start today's class? Yes. India, physical features and physical features. Okay. Today we are going to learn about our country, India, and its physical features in this topic. Okay. We are going to learn in this lesson about India, states and union territories of India, physical features of India. Shall we see about it? What is our country? India, right? Our country, India, is located in the continent Asia, right? Lies in Asia continent. So, how many continents do we have on the earth? We have 7 continents on the earth. In that, India lies toward the south of Asia, also the largest continent in the world. Right, children? Okay, and India is taking the 7th largest country in the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world. In the area wise, it is the 7th largest country in the world. And second in population. What do you mean by population here? Number of people present in the country is known as population. So India is taking second place in population in the world. Okay, so India is the 7th largest country in the world and it is taking second place in the population in the world. Okay, have a look on India, children. What did you observe in this? Yes, different cultures, different customs, traditions, etc. Right, children? Because of this, India is also known as subcontinent. Okay, India is also known as subcontinent because of its distinct variety of languages, cultures, ethnic groups, customs, beliefs, vegetation, and geographical factors. Okay, so India is also known as subcontinent because of its distinct variety of languages. So we have many states in our country. Different states people will speak in different languages, right, children? And they follow different cultures, different traditions. Yes or no? So due to that, India is also known as subcontinent. Okay. So have you look on the map, children? So do you find directions on the map? Yes. In the map, always the top words shows north direction and the downwards it is south, right side is the east and left side is the west. Right, children? So shall we see the boundaries of our country? Yes. What are the boundaries of our country? What do you mean by boundaries? Boundary is an area up to where our country is occupying its place. So what are the boundaries of our country? We are going to learn in this here. Okay. See, towards the north of India we have Himalayas. Towards the east we have Bay of Bengal. And towards the south we have Indian Ocean. And towards the west we have Arabian Sea. Understand, children? So what are the boundaries of India? Himalayas to the north, Indian Ocean to the south, Bay of Bengal to the east, and Arabian Sea to the west. These are the boundaries of our country. Okay. New Delhi is the capital of India. So what is the capital of our country? New Delhi. And Rajasthan is the largest state in our country. Goa is the smallest state in our country. Understand, children? So New Delhi is the capital of our country, India, and Rajasthan is the largest state in our country. Goa is the smallest state in our country. So India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. So how many into how many states and union territories is India divided, children? It is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. Also known as peninsula as it is surrounded by water on 3 sides. Okay, see here children. Towards the east we have Bay of Bengal. Towards the south we have Indian Ocean. Towards the west we have Arabian Sea. Right children? So as it is surrounded by three sides by water, so it is also known as peninsula. Understand children? The central government looks after the interest of the country and the state and union territories. Okay, so in India, the government is divided into central government and state government. The central government looks after the interest of the country and union territory. What does the government will do? It takes care of the people and welfare, work for the welfare of the country. Right? Here the government is divided into two. One is central government, another one is state government. So the central government will look after the interest of the country as well as union territories. And the state government looks after the interest of the states. Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state in the country. So Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state in our country. People belong to different religions, tribes and races. They speak different languages, wear different dresses, yet they all are one. So the people who are living in India will follow different customs, different tradition, will wear different kind of dresses, even though they all are one who belong to one country, that is India. Understand children? What we have learned in this class? About the boundaries of our country and about our country, right? What are the boundaries of our country? Towards the north we have Himalayas, towards the south we have Indian Ocean, towards the east we have Bay of Bengal, and towards the west we have Arabian Sea. These are the boundaries of our country. Okay, and India lies in Asia continent. New Delhi is the capital of India and it is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories, and it is a subcontinent because the people in our country will follow different traditions, different cultures, different customs, so that it is known as a subcontinent. And it is the 7th largest country in the world and 2nd largest country in the population. And it is a peninsula because as it is surrounded by water on three sides. The southern part of India is surrounded by three sides by water, so that it is called as peninsula. Hope you understand children. Thank you.